Second step, transform data, actual cost. Until now, we have just transformed planned cost. Let's transform actual cost together. Now we have to get data first. So from Home tab, select Get Data and Excel Workbook. And here, select Actual Cost. Select its non-table format and press on Transform Data. Here again, I changed the first row to headers. Can you guess how? Yes, go to Use First Row as Headers and select Use First Row as Headers. We have empty rows. Here, I select Activity ID column and Remove Rows. Remove blank rows. On Total again, I can filter 0. Now it shows all the rows which contain value. And change total format to fixed decimal number. And select the columns which you don't want to unpivot. Right-click and unpivot other columns. Attribute is date. And value is actual cost. And change its format to fixed decimal number. Change date format into date. That's clear now. Transforming is finished here. Please consider transforming is not just and only the actions we worked here. Here is a couple of actions and transforming options that we can apply according to our needs. For example, in Transform tab, we can extract columns, we can count rows, or even we can add column with its tab, or any other options according to our needs. Anyway, we are at the end of the transforming data of actual cost. The final job here is to go to the Home tab and select Close and Apply. It is added. Edit the transformed data. Now I need to change something in planned cost. In Field section, right-click on the transform data which you want to edit. I right-click on Planned Cost and select Edit Query. I want to change total column name to Budget. Change and Close and Apply. It is applied and ready for visualization. I want to mention that transforming data in Power BI or query in Excel does not change the original file. If you open Planned Cost Excel file, all the changes we did on Transform section are not applied here, and the original file is remained. So this is one of its advantages.